Introducing the latest in material hauling, the S1 Vision single axle truck. Born from a vision to rethink truck design focusing only on core components, the S1 is set to revolutionize the industry. The S1's self-leveling system ensures the highest stability and safety, regardless of the terrain. The S1 masters tight corners with a zero-turn radius, offering exceptional maneuverability in confined spaces. Equipped with advanced sensors, fleets of S1 trucks can work together autonomously, optimizing fleet operations and improving overall safety and efficiency. One vehicle, countless possibilities, whether in mining, farming, or construction. The S1 Vision single axle truck demonstrates its strength and adaptability in every environment. Its payload is scalable and can range from 0.25 tonnes to 145 tonnes. Discover the S1 Vision, the future of material haulage.